Have you been annoyed by the Libcrypto Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze your security or network software dependency and restore that missing file. Before starting the detailed Libcrypto library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This DLL file is a foundational library from the OpenSSL project. It provides a vast array of cryptographic algorithms, including symmetric and asymmetric encryption, which are used by many applications to secure data. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of your security or network software to repair the core installation and restore the Libcrypto Library DLL component. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Libcrypto library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Most individual downloads of the Libcrypto Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to the Libcrypto library. If your workstation is back online and the Libcrypto library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.